Welcome to Essentials in Writing Scoring Service. This service, which runs from August 1st to May 15th each year, provides parents and students with a score and feedback for improvement with each composition assigned in the Essentials in Writing level. Conducted on the Canvas platform, students submit their Essentials in Writing compositions according to predetermined guidelines. After the personal scorer has scored the composition, students receive not only a score, but also in-text comments, as well as feedback that details strengths and weaknesses of the composition. Our scorers are qualified evaluators, which take away the stress from parents who don't have the time or feel unable to grade writing assignments. Our scorers not only know what quality writing looks like, but they also know how to guide students to achieve that quality writing. The scoring service is more than just a grammar check. It evaluates an entire composition so that the student may learn how to best communicate in writing. It gives homeschool students a stress-free taste of what writing at the university level is like, turning in a paper to someone other than their parents, paying attention to formatting rules, and learning to receive feedback and apply it to future compositions. Past students have consistently shown that they care more about writing well when our scorers evaluate their work compared to when their parents are evaluating. If you're ready to leave behind the stress of grading your child's written compositions, sign up today. Enrollment opens in March of each year for the following school year, but enroll early. Availability is limited, and the service always fills up before it begins in August each year. Oh, and don't forget to read what other parents and students are saying about the scoring service.